Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Capcut and loading a project with a text layer. This immediately exposes font options. Once the text is selected, make sure to open the font drop-down so you can browse categories. You should also check the top tabs for local, recommended, and online fonts. This differentiates what's already on your device versus what you can fetch. If you intend to use custom fonts, have the file ready in your device storage for import when prompted. You then use the search box at the top of the font panel to type a specific name or a keyword like handwritten or bold. This narrows choices quickly. Once results appear, make sure to apply filters, style, category, or popularity to refine options instead of scrolling endlessly. Preview each font by tapping it so your actual text updates in real time. This shows how size, spacing, and weight interact with your layout before you commit. You finish by importing any custom TTF or OTF if needed. Use the import or add font option and grant file permissions. Once installed, apply the font and fine-tune size, spacing, and color so it fits your composition. After applying, save or export a short preview to confirm rendering across devices. If a font doesn't show, restart Capcut, check that the file is a supported format, and verify storage permissions. That usually resolves import and visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.